Good morning and welcome back to Cooking with Concetta on... Yeah, this is gonna be the best episode that we see yet, okay? Happy Mardi Gras, y'all. I am so ready to set it off with y'all today. We're gonna make some red beans and rice, and I've got some special guests today. Not only is one of my best friends from childhood gonna help me out today, but also my two little nuggets, Priestley and Olivia. It just so happens to be this one's birthday weekend, and this one is along for the ride because why not? It's red beans and rice. Let's get to cooking here on Cooking with Concetta on H-Town Eats. So everybody, this is one of my dearest friends for a very, very long time, Ryan Holiday.
Hi, y'all.
Ryan's gonna share the first time he had red beans and rice with me. When was that?
The first time I had your mom's red beans and rice would have probably been freshman year of high school.
Yeah.
And it's one of those dishes that's just good to the soul. You know, her mom, one thing about their house growing up was it always felt like a fun, safe space for all the kids to go and hang out. And her mom always had something going in this pot right here, especially red beans and rice. So we got Concetta this lovely cutting board that has her mom's recipe in her handwriting on it. So I don't think you cut with this, but it's a nice memory.
Yes. So I don't cut with that. It sits in my kitchen, and my mom passed away back in 2020, and it's very special to me. Not only is it my personal favorite recipe, but I love that it's, you know, her handwriting, but also it's my daughter's favorite recipe, who is here and who's going to come back and eat some in a little bit. It just got a little too wild with her right here. But let's get to cooking. Let me teach y'all how to make this. And if you don't want to make it, that's okay. Come to Maceo Spice, 2706 Market Street. We've got it on the menu all day, every day.
That's
okay?
what I do.
So what I did was I soaked my red beans overnight. You don't have to do that, but it does help the cooking process, speed it up a little bit, and also might make you a little less tooty, okay? Okay, so I've got those going. I'm gonna go ahead and start heating them up because this is how I make my red beans, okay? This is how my mama taught me. If it's not the way your mama taught you, that's okay. Mama knows best, okay? If you didn't have a mama teach you how to make red beans, learn from me, I'll be your mama, okay? So we've got our beans in here. No doubt, this is what I cook with the most. This makes everything delicious. It goes on everything, all season. So I'm gonna take some all season into my beans. I'm measuring with my heart. Y'all measure with the tablespoon, okay? So put about a tablespoon and a half in there, okay? If you need to add more, add more. It's up to you. All right, so I've got that in. I'm just gonna give this, get my favorite wooden spoon, give this a nice little stir, okay? We're gonna let that start cooking while I make the seasoning, okay? So first, we're gonna start off with, I got a bunch of lids I'm collecting over here. We're gonna start off with some onions, some celery, some garlic, and some bay leaf. You know what? Let's just go ahead and throw that bay leaf
All right.
into the pot now. You get that other one in. I'm not gonna reach over you anymore. This is my
Here
soup.
we go.
Okay. All right, so one nice size onion. That's what Wendy always told me. What is a nice size onion? I don't know, okay? Like this. Looks nice, doesn't that?
Nice.
He's not mean.
Yeah, seems nice.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so we're gonna cut that up. We're gonna dice it nice. And we're gonna cut about 3 to 4 stalks of celery, okay? Right now, I'm letting this heat up. And then I'm going to, and then I'm gonna add my olive oil when I feel like it's hot. What I'm gonna do right now is get this onion and celery in that pot. I'm gonna have you do that. You think you can handle it?
I can do that.
Do you love to cook?
I love to watch you cook,
Yes.
you know?
Yes, I do. Go ahead. I'm teaching this one how to cook.
Yes.
It's the last thing I ever do.
One day, you and my dad
Good
both.
girl.
Okay, here we
Get
go.
it in. Okay. Now give it a little swirl.
Okay.
Get all that olive oil coated all over your celery and onion, okay?
Alrighty.
Look, we are cooking together
It's
today.
smelling good already.
Once the onions get a little clear,
Right.
we're gonna add in our bacon.
Okay.
Then once that gets kind of pink, we're gonna add in our sausage and our garlic at the same time.
Okay.
We're just gonna let that get fragrant, and then all of it is going into the beans. And here we go.
That smells.
That's gonna cook for a couple hours. Go do your laundry, and we'll come back to this. Look how beautiful this is. This nice and creamy. These red beans some of them have broken down, some of them are still intact. That is the prettiest way to make red beans and rice, y'all. Look at that sausage. Oh my word. That's it. Lights out. Go home. So good. Let's taste this. You want to take the first bite?
I sure do.
Yeah.
Drum roll. Mm-hmm. Wow.
What do you think?
Just like I remember it.
Just like Wendy's.
Feels like home.
Ah, I love it.
What a great way to start the year.
Thank you for coming and cooking these red beans with me. I'm so glad my toddlers got to join in on this wonderful experience and one of my longest, dearest friends. Y'all, make this recipe at home. I'm telling you, it is every bit of amazing. As you can see, they like it. He loves it. You are, huh? All right. Again, I hope y'all have a great week. I'll see y'all next week on Cooking with Concetta on H-Town Eats.